Here's how to make a realistic looking trees in Photoshop. Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to make a trees in Photoshop with easy steps to make it. We go to create a new layers, and after create a new layer, all it is, and go to filter, select render and select tree. For best tree types, the selection lists 34 tree types you can choose from it. Light direction sets the directions in degrees of the light hitting the tree. You can set the shadow radius to full brightness by setting the value to 100. For this point, you can set the small or big size of layers. Let's talking about the branch page. You can set up the value that you want to set up the trees. For the last options, the sliders let you have some fonts, a value or shadow results in the tree with no trunks. For advantage, you can set up the camera tools and you can custom color for layers, you can custom color for branch. And after you set up the color and you custom the color of brand, custom auto thickness, and it's already, you can click OK. For render the tree, yes, it's already. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, see you guys.